Hi, we've got a quick demonstration on how you can use IBM Watson Workspace and Buzzy applications to allow field services teams to work together effectively. So in this example, we'll be covering two bits of technology. On the left-hand side, we've got a simple application that captures the latest issues, particular issues that are in the field, and you can report on that information as well. On the right-hand side, we're using Watson Workspace, where we can have a bunch of conversations that allow the team to work together to resolve issues quickly. So we've got this persistent data and this conversational data. What we've done is we've integrated these applications, and everything on the left-hand side over here is completely customizable. So you can customize the fields. If we had a look at one of these examples, we've got different types, drop-downs over here, all completely customizable. You can capture images, signatures, and things like scores. You can use that information then to create reports, and again, completely customizable. So when a team's working together and perhaps conversing between each other to help each other to resolve issues, it's often then required that you go and jump into a separate application like the one on the left-hand side. But with the integration that we've done with Watson Workspace and together with Watson Conversations, new name, Watson Agent, we can query the data on the left-hand side just in the conversation. And Watson will recognize the intent to be able to find information and help us make that information available to the team. So for example, if I said, what is the status of issue ID 126, and I'm asking that to the team, or what's the latest information on that, Watson will recognize that, underline it, and it will generate this query. And these queries are completely customizable. So we've set up one over here for a status request, and then it will give us information over here. Like for example, Bob is assigned this issue and the status is done. These, as with things like the fields, are completely customized. So you could come in and you can add your own fields, you can add your own actions, and you can train Watson to be able to recognize those actions and present the data. So it's making it much faster for people to be able to interact with this complex data. Remember, this conversation is obviously going to be a lot more complicated than the demonstration over here. And we can also customize this application, add other content, and really make sure that the information for the team over here is at their fingertips and they can resolve problems quickly and obviously ensure the customer's happy. Thanks for watching, and have a go and try this out, and we look forward to hearing from about the cool things that you're doing with Buzzy and IBM Watson Workspace.